I am crazy out from the dog whisperers. When these guys come, they come get your dog and they destroy him, man. I don't know what the hell's going on right now, but they come around with the dogs all day. Dogs in the cage right now. I don't know what's happening right now, but I'm checking it out right now. Right now they at a standstill. They're coming right now. They're coming to get the dogs, man. This shit is crazy, man. Unbelievable. What y'all doing with them dogs?
They're my dogs.
Oh, your dog? Okay.
My dad was watching.
Oh,
They were
okay.
away.
So the dogs are safe?
Huh?
The dogs are safe?
Why wouldn't they be?
All right. It's so adorable. You guys have a nice evening.
You too, man.
Wow, wildest nightmares. I thought they came to destroy the dogs, man, but it was a lie. They're here to protect the dogs. The guy said that's his dogs. But if he wouldn't have said that, I was going to jump in there and save them dogs. I would have took them dogs in as my own children. I was going to rescue them dogs. That's right. Ellen DeGeneres, I hope you see this. I protect dogs too, Ellen DeGeneres. Whew, that was a close call. My blood pressure done went up to 1,000 miles an hour, but I'm cool now. The dogs are safe. Thank you, Jesus. Woo!